Annabelle, put the animals back in the truck.
Okay. And we need to put it on the truck.
What's happening?
Danny did it.
Oh, Danny did it. Danny, let the truck go. Let it go so your sister can scream. And I want to show your mom how you scream. So, Annabelle, let the truck go forward. Let the tractor.
Ồ, con nó kêu rồi.
What are you screaming for? Why are you screaming? Crazy old woman. What are you screaming for? Do you think Danny's a crazy driver?
Oh my God.
Annabelle, why are you screaming?
Coi như là tiêu rồi, cái họng cổ họng nó rồi.
I think Clive should see how excited you are about this new toy.